So my daffodils finished blooming, and then I have been fertilizing them and watering them, and now you can see all the leaves are dead. So I was removing these leaves when I noticed that there are bulbs which are sitting pretty close to each other, because over the years they would have multiplied. So I want to pick some of these. So there are bulbs here and then further up there. So I'm going to remove some of these and put them elsewhere. So that is like basically bulb division or root division, that you planted 5 bulbs here or 10 bulbs here, they multiplied over time, became 20 or 15 or whatever. So you take out some bulbs and you plant them elsewhere. So I'm going to take few of these and few more and plant them in a different location, and hopefully in the next season they will grow there and produce blooms there. So I've taken out handful of daffodil bulbs and I'm going to plant it here, just pointed side up. And you always want to plant them in cluster, because you don't want 1 or 2 daffodils growing. You want them in a cluster.
And of course, choose a location which is sunny and where the water doesn't clog.
And just cover it. And we'll wait for the next season for them to sprout. Oh, look at this! Our daffodils are growing now. So happy to see them. You can clearly see the buds in a few plants. So it's about to bloom now. And here we have it. Now they have started blooming. And here are our original daffodil clusters from where I had taken a few of the bulbs out last fall and planted that new place. As you can see, that the daffodils that we transplanted last fall are now at full bloom. So there were more bulbs than the number of flowers we are getting, but some bulbs may not be ready. Maybe they'll bloom next year. But this is what you do. It's pretty simple. When the plants die back, you dig up some of the bulbs and plant them elsewhere. It reduces the clutter at the original place, and you get new places where you can have daffodils. So I hope this short video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.